Hi, I'm Rob at DermaGuru here in Bath. Today we talk about my client journey here from Sophie. This was quite an interesting one because her aunt, who actually lives in Switzerland, or Sweden I think it was, already getting mixed up, who lives in Sweden, actually recommended me to her. So that's the power of social media, guys. Let's all give a clap for that. And so she's been coming to see me with her chronic redness. So she's got a bit of a vascular erythema on her cheeks. So she's got a bit of pinkness, a bit of impaired skin barrier, a few spots that have come from that, a bit of pustular rosacea. So we've been looking at treating her skin with that. So of course, you may know by now, the signature pH formula treatment for redness is the CR treatment, and that is chronic redness recovery. So we've been doing a course of treatments with Sophie, looking to kind of restore the skin barrier, get her strength back, using the mandelic acid in there for its anti-inflammatory properties, a little bit of retinol to strengthen the skin, increase cellular turnover, which is brilliant if you've got a little bit of redness because you want to thicken up the epidermis of the skin, just to make sure that you've got that strength there. We've been slowly increasing the time that peel has been used on the skin, ready realistically to strengthen up the skin, so we can start looking at things like microneedling to help get that last little bit out. She's responded really, really well with these treatments. The redness has gone down massively, as you'll see in some of my posts on Instagram. We've got some really good before and afters. So we apply the chronic redness peel. This one's a little bit different to the pH formula ones. This goes on as a gel. We leave this on up to 10 minutes, but we usually start about 2 minutes, time it depending on how the skin goes. Then we do remove this one. The other pH formula peels and resurfacing treatments are self-neutralizing. This is the only one that's not, because it's a little bit stronger for that chronic redness. We then follow that up with a little bit of vitamin C and LED light therapy, of course, because we all love that LED light therapy. Brilliant for redness as well, help with the anti-inflammatory properties. So we're using the blue light for chronic redness to help with killing any acne-causing bacteria and help strengthen that vasodilation. We then followed that with a bit of post-moisturiser. Again, as always, these treatments followed by that, and a bit of SPF. SPF is key for all of these treatments, and we use the EV SPF 50 Face Defense Mousse, one of my personal favourites. Absolutely love it. We love using it. It doesn't go sticky. It goes really, really dry and matte and really nice. Gives you a beautiful glow. You can probably tell I've got it on today. And that's how we did the chronic redness treatment. It's a course of 6, usually minimum, spaced every 2 weeks, and then we sort of address that every the third one. Make sure we do a mid-course review, and at the 6th one we do a post-course review to see if we need a few more, whether we need to go into monthly maintenance, whatever. But of course this will all be sorted out in your consultation. So if you need to book in for a consultation, which you do, everyone needs to, then please do drop me a message on Instagram or wherever really that's easy to get hold of me, and we'll have a little conversation, book you in for a consultation. Thank you so much for listening to me witter today, and I shall see you all soon. Goodbye.